is pitfall number one for why people are failing in their New Year's resolutions? Hello and welcome back. This is our journey of resolution mastery, how to achieve our goals and heart desires without giving up. And in this video, I will share what is pitfall number one. And this is lack of clear goals. Where I'm coming from, we have really tough winters. A lot of snow, minus temperatures, and very often we have really thick fogs. And imagine you're driving and you have some vision and clearance in front of you, and at some point it's just like a wall in front of you, and you can't see nothing. It's so thick you can see only around the meter in front of your car. It's really dangerous. You have to use your horn just to let the other drivers around you that you're there, and just to let them know. And it's really tough to drive in such environment. And this is how often we are in life. When we are not clear of what we want and where we're going, what is our target, it's really hard to drive and to go there, isn't it? If you're a driver, how many of you are drivers? We have to have a clear goal. We have to have a destination. We have to have a target, somewhere where we are going. How many of you just get into the car and you don't know where you're going? No, we always get into a car and we know the purpose of our road and our drive. You know where you're going. It might be the supermarket, it might be the trade center, it might be your work, or you're visiting a friend, but we know where we're going. And it's the same with setting up goals. Very often people, they say things like, I want to be fit. What does that mean? This is not clear enough. But if you say that I wanted to run 5K by April, this is absolutely much more specific. And this is what brings more clarity. So the first thing is, what do you really want? What are the areas you want to improve? And in the previous video, we talked about the statistics and the trends, and usually the health areas in our life, they're number one. What people they really want to change and improve in their life. And to be more specific and more clear about what you really want will help you to track and measure the success and the progress. Otherwise, if you're not clear about where you're going, what is your target, how will you know that you will hit this target? That's why we need clarity. We need to see clearly where we're going, what do we want in our life, and then we can measure the progress. Then we can manage the progress and the success, and we know where we are and how we are doing in our life. That's why clarity is power. Clarity is necessity. It's really important that we know what we want, where we're going, and how to get there. So this is pitfall number one. People are lacking really clarity in their life, and when they're setting their goals, and really clarity in where they're going. And in this training program, we'll be more emphasizing on the SMART goals. The goals that have to be specific, that have to be measurable, that have to be realistic, achievable, and time-bound. And this is what we're going to work on in this training program. But the first thing comes from clarity. We have to be clear of what we want, and has to be more specific. So this was pitfall number one. What is pitfall number two? I will share in the next video. Thank you for your time. See you soon.